Go! Richie Rivero!
Foul committed by number 32. Aga for 2. Foul committed by number 2. Number 2, second personal foul, second team foul. Yeah. Body. Foul, De La Cruz. Try to shoot. Kenneth naman yun. To Comedido. Comedido, dumiskarte. Easy layup naman yun. Panyore. Yeah. Foul. Foul. Ayala for 2. Try to shoot. Ayala for Comedido for 2.
Harap!
Sumbang pastoga. Uy.
Baka nakapusa sa kabila.
Foul.
Bakit ba? Dalawa gusto niya. Pakilang ka.
Ga. First throw pasok.
Pandibog mo talagang hayop.
Second throw pasok. 10 to shoot. Good.
Ah, Chuchang oh!
20 seconds.
Ganda oh! Woo! Richie Rivero!
Foul committed by number 32. Pass to MJ. MJ pass to Habyan. Habyan for good.
Monday game!
Yan ang pinapractice namin pag Monday. Ayala for 2. 10 to shoot. Apa? 15 to shoot. Grabe naman yun. Parang board lang ang binuhat. 15 to shoot. Foul committed by number 27 Pagaduan. Ga, first throw. 10 to shoot. And a foul committed by number 23. Warning for disqualification po si number 23. Second throw, pasok ulit. Comedido, pas tulumbang for 2. Comedido, pas tuga. Lumbang, ni-reverse, easy 2 points. Number 23. Pasyon dyan, pwede kayo mo. Solido. 15 to shoot.
Ang galing mo aga! Sige na, baba! Sila, kita!
Number 31, offensive foul. 15 to shoot. And a foul committed by number 22. Warning for graduation.